You turn by leaning 1 foot back and 1 foot forward.
Gotcha. No, keep some pace up now.
No, that's fast.
No, it's not.
Good fucking expert already.
Good pace, good pace.
Shows you how good my balance is for an old fella, doesn't it?
Maybe. Maybe. Alright, now turn by leaning 1 foot back and 1 foot forward.
Come on, I don't need squatting.
Yeah, you do. I fell off, so
Yeah, but I'm awesome.
it's going to be the hard part about him getting off. You might need something to support you getting off.
Nah, make him get off on his own.
Freaking hell, Dad.
Come on, go faster.
Maybe I can't go faster with you.
Oh,
You didn't get that, did you?
no.
It's like this.
Stop trying to turn you there, you fucker. Let's get some pace up. Jeez, it flies, doesn't it?
No, it's because you're so bloody. Maybe that's max speed for you.
That's not how you turn. Now get off.
Now try to get off.
Last one.
Last round, and then you have to try to get off.
Faster. I want to go faster.
You're too fat for it.
Maximum speed 2 k's an hour for fat bricks.
He's gonna finger the balls. Look at him.
Jiggle the belly
If you
around.
move your legs, you're gonna fall.
Fuck,
Watch out, watch out, watch out. I did say watch out.
Hey, did that reverse by itself then?
No, you leant your feet back.
You can go backwards too.
Watch out, the couch is in. Yes, you can go backwards.
Come on, fucking forward you have to go to get fucking speed up, for Christ's sake.
Well, that's because
You're an idiot.
Alright, now try to get off, but hold on to that.
Motherfucker!